In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. If your inbox is overflowing, knowing how to select and delete several messages at once can save you a lot of time. We'll cover 3 common ways to select emails. Picking non-consecutive messages, grabbing a consecutive block, and selecting everything in a folder. I'll mention both Windows and Mac shortcuts, so you can follow along no matter what you are using. Let's start with non-consecutive emails, which is useful when you want to skip around. Click the first email you want to remove to highlight it. Now hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and keep clicking each additional email you want to include. You'll see each one get highlighted as you go. If you change your mind on one, keep holding the same key and click it again to deselect it. Take your time here. It's easy to add or remove items without losing the rest of your selection. Next, let's cover consecutive emails when you want everything in a continuous block. Click the first email in the series to set your starting point. Hold down the Shift key, then click the last email in the range. Everything in between those 2 clicks will be selected in one move. You can scroll before you make that final Shift click to include a larger range. Just be sure your final click is on the last message you want. If you want to remove everything in a folder, the fastest method is select all. Click any single email in the list to make sure the folder is active. Then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. That highlights every email in that folder at once. This only applies to the current folder you are in. So double-check the folder name to avoid deleting items from the wrong place. Once your emails are selected, no matter which method you used, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Or click the delete icon that looks like a trash can in the toolbar. By default, those messages move to the deleted items folder. So you can restore them if needed. If you are certain you want them gone immediately, use Shift+Delete. This permanently removes the selected emails and bypasses deleted items. Outlook may ask you to confirm because this action can't be undone, so use it carefully. That's it. Thanks for watching.